The next one from company Krka Pharmaceuticals, Simon Kukets.
The pace of science and technology is changing nowadays. There are no old roads to innovations. Innovation in generic pharmaceutical industry is progressing to stay ahead of the competition and to tackle patients' needs. With a desire to come closer to patients and to facilitate their treatment, in Krka we produce high-quality medicines in advanced pharmaceutical forms, such as prolonged-release tablets, among which belongs also our innovation. These innovative prolonged-release tablets with quetiapine are taken once daily, and they are a superb choice over immediate-release formulation given twice daily. Namely, this product guarantees less drug fluctuation in blood levels across the course of the day and reduces the risk of adverse drug reactions. This results in better overall control of symptoms and signs in patients suffering from schizophrenia and bipolar disorder, and therefore improves their quality of life. Focused on opportunities rather than the obstacles themselves, high level of knowledge triggers the power of innovation. The development of such a product is very complex, which intrigued our development team with numerous challenges in the fields of chemical synthesis of the active ingredient, development and production of the final product, as well as industrial property and regulatory affairs. We introduced sophisticated, advanced methods for real-time monitoring of the technological process and for analytical evaluation of the active substance and the final product. High-quality clinical studies on several hundred healthy volunteers and patients confirmed the efficacy and safety of our innovative product. Krka launched the quetiapine prolonged-release tablets on the key European markets as one of the first generic pharmaceutical companies, thus gaining favorable competitive position. Last, however, not least, what makes the difference between success and failure? A great team. Teamwork makes the dream work only when there is a compelling vision, strong goal interdependence, high level of communication, and of course, the support of the company for innovation. Thank you.
The rest of the team, please join us on the stage. If somebody is measuring the time of these speeches, you will see that they're all 3 minutes, not coincidental. And the prizes. Thank you very much.